Hi everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm the co-founder of Evive. 3 years ago, my girlfriend and I were studying at the university and we had busy mornings like most people. It was hard for us to keep on the good habit of preparing a healthy smoothie every day because you need to have all the ingredients on hand, to use a blender which makes a lot of noise, and to clean the kitchen. We wanted to make it more simple, so we invented the frozen smoothie cubes. The way it works, you pop 4 to 8 cubes in a jar like that. You cover the cubes with liquid like almond milk or water. 15 minutes later, you just shake it up. So the best part is you don't even need a blender. In the smoothie, you got a bunch of superfoods like spirulina, hemp seed, vegan protein, so you can take it as a breakfast. It's organic and it's gonna cost you only $3 for a breakfast. We launched 18 months ago, and we're very proud that we now have 700 retail points in Canada. We also launched an e-commerce website where people subscribe to a smoothie, and it's delivered to their door frozen. So the next challenge for Evive is to keep growing the distribution, but also we're launching a new line of product as early as next year. We're also launching the e-commerce website in the US. So now we're looking for partners and investors to help us reach the next level, to accomplish our mission, which is to empower people to prepare healthy food to improve their well-being. Santé.